take the chicken out of the bag. Pat the chicken dry with paper towels. Next, salt and pepper the chicken. And then grab 2 plates, 1 small bowl, and 2 other plates, and place them in that order. Then line the ingredients in this order: all-purpose flour, cracked eggs, and panko. Remember to crack the eggs and stir it before you dip it. Just like this video, and dip it in the ingredients in that order. Pour the oil about 1/3 of the wok. When the oil reaches 350 degrees, put the chicken in. In about 7 minutes, the chicken should be golden brown and ready to be taken out. So this is the final results. I hope you like it. Please subscribe to my video and view my recipe below. Thank you. Bye. Yummy.